Your carpet and upholstery don't need to be replaced. They just need perfection. Love your pets, not the smells they leave behind. Pet odor? Urine stains? We've got that handled. Our advanced hot water extraction removes years of dirt, allergens, and stubborn pet odors, making your home fresh and clean again. From carpet to tile, grout to upholstery, we're helping families breathe easier and live cleaner. Take advantage of our limited time offer: 3 rooms and a couch for just $675. That's a savings of $135. Visit us at our office and get a free, personalized quote. Our friendly team is ready to help. With 36 years of experience and over 200 5-star Google reviews, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Just a call away. Perfection cleaning results, because your home deserves nothing less than